program is stored from memory location 2000H to 200CH. Copy the contents of these memory location on paper and disassemble the program using operation code sheet. Write the working of the program. Here in this program from 2000 to 2000C, here operation codes are given, and from that operation code you have to write down the program, execute the program, and write down the purpose of the program also. These tasks you have to perform. You know that the first byte of the program is always operation code. When program begins from 2000, it means at 2000 the operation code is there. You have to find out the operation code, and from that operation code you have to find out the instruction. Once you know the instruction, from that instruction you know that that instruction is of 1 byte, 2 byte or 3 byte. If the instruction is of 3 byte, then the next operation code will be at 2003. If instruction is of 2 byte, then the next operation code will be at 2002. And if the instruction is of 1 byte, the next operation code will be at 2001. That means from that instruction you have to decide at what memory location the next instruction is. And from that you have to write down the program. After writing down the program, you have to write down the purpose of the program also. I will add the instructions here. What are the instructions here? I will add it. I will put it here. Here, the first instruction is, now 21 is there. With the meaning of 21, you know the meaning of 21, you go to the instruction, find out the instruction. The meaning of 21 is LXIH. The next two are represent the low order data and high order data. That means the instruction is LXIH 2500. In HL register pair, you have to fill the number 2500. This is 3 byte instruction. It means the next instruction will be at 2003 46. For 46 operation code, the instruction is move M to B. Whatever the number is there at that memory location, you have to transfer that number to register B. Here at that memory location, the number 55 is there. That number you have to bring it to the register B. Bring that number to register B. The content of register B becomes 55. This is 1 byte instruction. The next is 3E. The meaning of 3E is MVIA. This is 2 byte instruction. The first MVIA and the next number is data. Byte 2 of the instruction. That means in register A, you have to fill the number FF. In register A, the number becomes FF. This is 2 byte instruction. The next instruction will be at 2006. The 90 is given. The meaning of 90 is subtract B. That means the content of register B is subtracted from content of accumulator. You will get AA. It means each bit of the number 55 is subtracted from 1. That means in accumulator you will get AA, that is 1's complement of a number which is at register B, and that number is brought from 2500. INXH, HL gets incremented by 1, it becomes 2501. This is 1 byte instruction. Next, 77, the meaning of 77 is move A to M. The result AA is stored at 2500 memory location. That means at 2500 you will get the number AA. The next instruction is 3C. The meaning of 3C is INR A, the content of accumulator gets incremented by 1, it becomes AB. This is 1 byte instruction. 23 INXH, the HL becomes 2502. Move A to M, the number from accumulator, that is AB, is transferred to 2502. At 2502 you will get AB. Next instruction is 76, that is halt, execution of the program stops. It means the purpose of the program is that take the number from 2500, find its ones complement, store the ones complement at 2501, find its twos complement and store the twos complement at 2502. This purpose you have to write. That means at the time of execution, what you will get at the time of execution, you will get only operation code part. You will get only this much part. This part is not there. From this, you have to find out the instructions. You have to write down the instructions. From instructions, you have to write down the content of each and every register after execution of each and every instruction, and you have to write down the purpose of the program. Here the purpose is that find out the ones complement of the number and twos complement of the number which is stored at 2500, store the result in the next consecutive memory locations. Here is the program. We will execute the program step by step. LXI H, move M to B, MVI A, FF, subtract B, INX H, move A to M, INR A, INX H, move A to M and halt. I will execute this program step by step. At 2500, the number taken is 55. At 2500, the number taken is 55. Execute the first step. Program counter becomes 2000. That means program starts executing from 2000. First instruction gets executed. HL becomes 2500. In that memory, number is 55. Execute the next instruction. Move the number to register B. Here you will get the number in register B. Execute the next instruction. In accumulator, you will get number FF. Execute the next instruction. FF minus 55. In accumulator, you will get AA. INX H, HL gets incremented by 1. It becomes 2501. Move A to M. Here at present in memory 00. Move A to M. Content of A is transferred to memory. The content of 2501 becomes AA. Next instruction, INR A becomes AB, accumulator becomes AB. INX H, HL becomes 2502. Increment AB is transferred to that memory location. Here you will get the contents of 2501 and 2502. 2501 and 2502. Now execute the same program on a microprocessor kit. We are going to execute the same program on microprocessor kit. Here is microprocessor kit. You are getting the microprocessor kit here. Already the program is there from memory location 2000. Reset, set memory. The program is there from memory 2000. I will show the program up to 76. Here you are getting the values in that particular memory location. We reach up to the 76. At memory 2500, the number taken is 55. At memory location 2500, the number taken is 55. Now execute the program, reset, go 2000 and execute the program. After execution of the program, you will get result here at 2501 AA and at 2502 AB. You can check the contents by here: register A, register B, register C, register D, register E, register H, register L, memory, stack pointer and program counter. That's all about the program.